You know that loud noise right before takeoff? Most of people think something's wrong. It's not. The sound is the engines pulling up, basically pulling in a huge amount of air to generate thrust. At the same time, systems inside the wings and cabin are adjusting, like flaps moving and pressure system stabilizing. That deep roar, it's plane preparing for maximum power. And here's the crazy part. Pilots are waiting for that exact moment because that sound means everything is ready for takeoff. So next time you hear it, that noise isn't a danger. It's the plane getting ready to fly.